so amazed how it turned out. It's only His grace. Won't He do it? He said He would, so I trust Him at all times. I'm about to lose it again.
What's up with it, YouTube? What's up with it, Slay Sisters? And we coming in, you better slay, you better slay, you better slay, you better slay. And today, I have a guest behind the camera. Mom, say hey.
Hello.
And today, we'll be doing a surprise dinner. And right now, my sister's in Jackson, Mississippi. But, hit that bacon. We have bacon, zucchini, chicken, squash, and cheese. And, of course, cream cheese. But for right now, I'm just keep cooking and keep watching. We'll see at the end. Okay guys, I am back, and so far we have gone like a long way. We're not done yet, so keep watching. So we have put the zucchini inside of the chicken and pepper and garlic powder. So I'm going to wrap this bacon around the chicken. I am back here. I hope you're still watching. I am about to apply the barbecue sauce. Gotta get it on there very good, so it can be just right. I am back, and the Slay Sisters are back in the house, y'all. And I am